Goswami Academy is super excited to launch our summer program. It's a 3-week program starting June 10th through June 28th. 3 super fun-filled and learning program activities will be provided in the areas of mathematics, arts and craft, nutrition and cooking, and yoga. The program will run from 9 a.m. through 2 p.m. daily, and those parents requiring after-school care, we also have that provided from 2 p.m. through 5 p.m. We have a super low price of $700 for the entire 3 weeks. The after-school program is $100 per week. Don't miss out. Sign up today for these 3 enriching programs provided by experienced and skilled service providers. In the arts and craft class, children will express themselves freely through a collaborative means using different mediums and elements in art. The art instructor is also an experienced and skilled artist, and she will show you through her video various examples of her art.
Hello everyone, my name is Lily Blaylock and I'm Goswami Academy's 2019 Summer Camp Arts and Crafts teacher. Utilizing your creativity is an important form of expression and meditation, which can inspire one to understand themselves and the world around them deeper than they could before. This is exactly what we are trying to achieve with your children this summer at Goswami's. To give students that artistic eye and understanding, we'll be introducing them to a variety of techniques and mediums which they may not have known about before, and challenging them to express themselves in multiple ways. What sets our program apart from other summer camps that are teaching art is that we are pairing lessons on morals and values with lessons on formal art terms. To show that I am well versed in the elements of art and principles of design, and I am capable of teaching your children these different techniques and mediums, I will be showing you a few pieces from my portfolio from throughout the years. The first piece that I'm going to be showing you is a formal drawing after Charles Bargue. This next drawing is just a line drawing, something I completed in high school. Something more similar I'm hoping to achieve with your children. I also do perspective work. This one is a perspective painting inspired by M.C. Escher. It can be flipped any way. And lastly, I do arbitrary color work. So this one is an arbitrary landscape. I'm very excited to be working with your children this summer. Thank you very much.
Our certified yoga instructor, Karuna, will help children in developing strong and relaxed minds and bodies and increase their focus in learning.
My name is Karuna Diedrichs, and I am super excited to be part of the camp this year. I am a clinical Ayurvedic specialist, a Panchakarma specialist. I am a Food for Life instructor as well as a yoga teacher, and I'm super excited about bringing my expertise to the camp. This year we're teaching 2 separate programs. I have a cooking and nutrition program. I've been teaching cooking for over 20 years. I was an ISKCON chef to begin with, then started teaching cooking, and I now teach Ayurvedic cooking after I got my degree in Ayurveda. I also teach a plant-based nutrition program called Food for Life, and in this program we teach young children how to incorporate plant-based foods into their diets. We focus on the 4 main food groups, namely vegetables, fruits, lentils and nuts, and grains. And in my classes we have so much fun cooking. We put together the most amazing desserts, soups, salads, smoothies, all kinds of wonderful foods incorporating these 4 main food groups. I'll also be teaching yoga. Yoga practice is something that I've been doing for most of my adult life, and I really wish that I had incorporated it into my life in early childhood. Yoga increases energy, vitality, it balances weight, and it also increases longevity. So I'm eager to have you send your children to Goswami Academy Summer Camp. I'm eager to teach them and to share my information with them and to incorporate many wonderful principles such as cleanliness, mindfulness, and gratitude in the kitchen, as well as self-control and discipline in the yoga.
Now, mathematics summer program, Mahesh Menon, our math instructor, will be grouping kids in two differentiated age groups. Our first group, ages 6 to 9, will be focusing on mental math strategies and problem solving using basic operation. The older students, grades 4 through grade 6, they will be focusing in areas of competitive math techniques and strategies.
My name is Mahesh Man, and I have been running a math club in a public school for the last 4 years. I teach some students from grade 2 to grade 5 and train them for various math competitions such as Math League and Math Olympiad. I also act as an coach, assistant coach for middle school level students, and I help them for AMC 8 and math counts. Thank you so much.